on day 2 of Pink Buckle. I'm here with Striker, and I just got done riding Peggy and Minnie, and Striker's up in round 1 of the Futurity this evening, so we're getting ready for that. Seems like we're having a car wash here at the Lazy E. Striker's done with the first round of the Futurity, and we're getting everybody ready for bed. There's Minnie and Rousey and Peggy. Hey everyone, we're on day 3 of Pink Buckle, and we're getting ready for the annual Pink Buckle sale. Okay, we are done for the night and we're getting ready to go to bed. Here's everybody. We like to do one last check. Hey everybody, I'm here with Striker. We're on day 4 of the Pink Buckle and we're getting ready for round 2 of the Futurity. So we're gonna get him saddled and we should be good to go. Hey everyone, so we just got done going for a quick ride, and now Minnie has all her magnet gear on and a tail bag to keep her nice and clean before tomorrow. And here's Striker in his magnet blanket enjoying some hay. Here's Peggy and her magnets enjoying some hay as well.